Section 13-4, Part 2. Finding volumes of cones in real-world problems. You are making some bug-repellent candles for an outdoor barbecue. What is the volume of the wax needed for one of the candles? Use 3.14 for pi. So using your formula sheet for the volume of, this is a cone, for the volume of a cone, I have the formula. V equals to 1/3 pi r squared h. V equals 1/3 pi r squared h. So we will use that formula to determine the volume of this cone. Well, I see that my height from the highest point to the lowest point, straight down perpendicular 90 degrees. Your height is 6. And from the center of the circle, your base is a circle. From the center of the circle to a point on the circle is 5. So therefore, that is your radius. Your radius is 5 inches. These are inches, okay? So substituting everything in to our formula, we have volume is equal to 1/3. We've been told to use pi as 3.14 times r, your radius is 5 squared, times your height, which is 6. Your formula is all multiplication, 1/3 times pi times r squared times h. So this is 1/3 times 3.14 times, you must do exponents first. 5 times 5 gives you 25 times 6. All of this is multiplied together. Now think about it. Each one of these are over 1. So when you're multiplying with fractions, you can multiply straight across, okay? So take your calculator and let's multiply straight across. We're going to multiply 3.14. 1 times 3.14 is 3.14 times 25. And that gives me 78.5 times 6 gives you 471. 471. Now, divided by, multiply straight across in the denominator. Well, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3. So end up with 471 divided by 3 gives me 157. So the volume of wax needed to make one candle is about 157 inches cubed. Now we say about because we use the rounded version of pi. Since when you use pi as 3.14, you've rounded it. So therefore that's an approximation. So the wax needed is 157 inches cubed. So remember, inches cubed is our units for volume.